So today we're just gonna, I know it's not gonna be hard or easy. I don't know if it's gonna be hard or easy, but you're gonna have
cover
3 oranges. They look like pink, but they're orange. And then 2, 3, 4, 5 blues, 12 purples,
and
I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 7 purples. 3, 4. Yes, let's just say 7 purples. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Yep, 7 purples. And 6 of these gray pieces. 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Two grays, 3 reds, and 1 blue, I guess. Yeah. So I don't really know what shapes I can make with this, but I will make it. We're going to take one of these blue pieces, hook purples onto it, and I'll show you when I'm done. This takes a while to get this many pieces onto. So just put purples on it until you run out. I'm not sure if I have enough purple. Sorry about that.
look at I paint.
Like, and then hook the 2 onto it, and you'll notice you have 1 left. So don't do it yet.
Just paper.
And then you're going to have that. 1 more left. And then flip it over and decide with the 1 left. And you can put whatever color you want there in the center. I'm gonna, just put gray. Yeah, gray. And then put 1 red right here. 1 red right here. It matters what color you do, so you have to do gray. Yeah, gray. And then do 1 last red. Red. And then it should look like this. And then it should have
Fire.
Take a blue like that. Looks like purple, but let's
Mom.
there, like that, blue. It's blue, not black or purple. And then you're gonna take a blue, and take it and put it on the edge, like first one. Go back. See that? You don't have to like this if you don't. Do the same to the other side. Like that. And that.
Mom.
Ignore her. She is my sister. And that's my brother. Take one more blue. And I'll show you what to do with it in a minute. Wait, no. Don't take a blue. Don't. And you're gonna hook. You're gonna take your gray hooking things. They're like white gray. I'm just making this up right now, so.
My nose so clean.
No, oh, your nails?
Like that. With two on the front side and then one on there. So like that and that. And then keep doing it on that one, and that one. I'll give you a minute. You're gonna have one leftover hooky thing, like that. You're gonna have one left over. So like that, that, and that. Oh, and I forgot that one. They have to be in the exact same spots as I put them. Like that, that. Okay. Now we're gonna take, sorry about that. Again. I think again, but take one of the oranges. They look like they're pink, but they're orange. Sorry. Look at that. And then